So it's been almost 1 year since I'm using the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, and now it's time to share the real experience of mine, because my experience is now into 100. So you guys must be having a question in your mind. Why I am saying 1 year? Because this band was launched in the month of September in India. तो एक साल कहाँ से हो गए? Guys, I bought it from China, and in China it was launched in the month of June. तो technically 11 months से ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं. So we can count it as 12 months. So that is 1 year. So without wasting further more time, let's get straight into the video. Since it is a fitness tracker, so at first we will talk about fitness of this particular device. So in this band you will get multiple activity modes, but मैंने एक ही mode use करा. Why? Because I am lazy guys. I don't want to go out for a jog, for cycling or any kind of physical activity जिसमें मुझे calories burn करने पड़े. पता नहीं इतना लेजी कहाँ से हो गया, बट आई एम. सो आई यूज्ड ओनली वन मोड, दैट इज़ फ्री स्टाइल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ट्रैकिंग थिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बैंड. सो ट्रैकिंग इज़ नॉट दैट एक्यूरेट, एंड वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज मैंने और भी बैंड्स यूज़ करे हैं. ऑनर बैंड 5 यूज़ करा है, अमेज फिट यूज़ करा है. सारे में ट्रैकिंग जो होती है ना, वो एक अलग ही लेवल की होती है, एंड इन दिस बैंड इट इज़ ऑफ अनदर लेवल. सो मुझे पता है ये एक्यूरेट नहीं है, बट कंसिस्टेंट है, और उतना भी ज़्यादा इनएक्यूरेट नहीं है, बट इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ एक्यूरेट ओनली. Now let's come to the heart rate sensor. So heart rate sensor is also not fairly accurate, but yeah, it's consistent, and that's what matters over here. Sometimes it give you fake readings as well. जब आपने इसको नहीं पहन रखा है तब भी आपको रीडिंग प्रोवाइड करेगा, जैसे कि हवा में रीडिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. अब पता नहीं कहाँ से करता है, बट it will provide you. Overall, considering other features like stopwatch, alarm, timer, find device, music control, notification reminder are the great and lovable features. The most used feature by me are lift wrist to view time, notification reminder, stopwatch and alarm. I used most of these features a lot because I used this device फॉर सीइंग द टाइम ओनली. मैंने इसको घड़ी की तरह ज़्यादा यूज़ करा है, नॉट एज अ बैंड, बट ये सारे फीचर्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैंडी है और मैंने बहुत यूज़ करे. रिसीविंग नोटिफिकेशन ऑन बैंड इज़ लाइक वेरी गुड थिंग्स. इट कम्स इन हैंडी वेन एवर आई एम ड्राइविंग अ बाइक or cycle or attending a lecture in the classroom where I can't take out my phone from the pocket, otherwise teacher देख लेगा और बहुत मारेगा. So at that point of time it is very handy. So all these features are amazing, and there are even more features. You need to explore them by your own, and do let me in the comment section below कौन कौन से features आपको extra पता है इसमें. So my personal favorite feature is the notification feature. Now you guys will say इतना notification क्यों बोले जा रहा है? So you guys know why I'm talking about more. If you guys are regular viewer of my channel, then you must know. Because in the place of notification, you can save notes, and it becomes very handy if you want to cheat in your exam. Yes, you can cheat in your exam. Here is a card to video that I made earlier. On that video, I explained you guys, I given a full tutorial on how you can use your Mi Band 4 for cheating purpose in your exam. So if you guys are liking this video up to this point, or if you guys are watching this video, then hit that subscribe button and follow me at my Instagram handle, that is RohitRajHZ. Now let's move to the sensors of this band. The Mi Band 4 is a fitness tracker first and foremost, and thanks to the 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope motion sensors, you are going to be able to count your steps and track distance and monitor calories burned. And yeah, it's good over here. Now let's come to the build and design. I don't know what others say about it, but in my opinion the build quality is top notch and great. It gives you a premium feel. Like simply बहुत ही मज़ा आ जाता है इसको पहन करके. आपको वो आई वॉच वाली फील तो नहीं आएगी, बट इट इज़ वेरी प्रीमियम अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्राइस इट इज़ सेलिंग फॉर. डोंट काउज एनी स्किन इरिटेशन और स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स, या डेफिनेटली रैसेस तो काउज मुझे नहीं हुए अभी तक, और सेंसिटिव स्किन वालों को भी तो नहीं होते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन माई रिस्ट एंड वेरी लाइट वेट टू. या डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज मुझे तो अभी तक मतलब पहन के मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि मैंने पहना है हाथ में, मैं पहन के सो भी जाता हूँ कभी कभी. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग ओवर हियर. बट देयर इज़ अ मेजर इशू इन द स्क्रीन. Yeah, it catches a lot of scratches very easily. I don't know why, but since I bought it ना, बहुत सारे scratches हो गए हैं इस पे. Even I haven't applied any screen protector on top. Maybe that's the reason why it is catching scratches. But Xiaomi should make an improvement in the upcoming generation. They must put any kind of protection like Gorilla Glass in their upcoming generation. It is having an AMOLED panel, and the brightness level can go up to 400 nits. And yeah, it's clearly visible in direct sunlight. That's a great thing, because all the other fitness bands excluding Fitbit are struggling in direct sunlight. So yeah, it's a great thing over here. It is water resistant at 5 atm and quite durable, so you can use this band while swimming also. The strap is good, but now it started to tear on inside. Overall, the touch is responsive and smooth now also. I want to be honest here, the strap is not that durable. It breaks and tear ups. Actually, I got a new one, so my mom had thrown it into the garbage. I took it out from there to show you guys. Hope my mom will not watch this video, otherwise I will be in trouble. She will also put me in the garbage. Okay, now let's come to the Mi Fit application with which you need to connect your Mi Band or with which you are going to pair it. It's good and great application, and the design is very much polished as compared to others. In this application you can access all the details that you need syncing through your Mi Band 4. Now let's talk about the customization thing in this particular band. At first I like to talk about the UI, that's the user interface. I like to mention that is very smooth and fluid without glitters and bugs. In customization, Mi Band 4 is literally a king over here. No any other band can come close to it in support of custom firmware or themes development. If you are wondering about the theme that I applied into my band, then check out my channel. You will see I have made literally many videos on it. It is really a king. You won't get bored using Mi Band 4 anytime. Regular updates you will get, customization things you will get, a number of watch faces, millions of watch faces, and extra features are getting added through OTA. Now at last, let's talk about the battery and charging. The battery is also a hell beast over here. It can last up to 20 days with light usage or even more than that. Charging it up is also quite easy and convenient, but you have to carry a dock with you to charge it. Charging times can go up to more than an hour or two, but it is considerable. Now whatever things I shared with you guys in this video are based upon my opinion, whatever things I observed. Maybe I missed something, or maybe I don't want to mislead anything, but it may happen other people are saying something different thing and I am saying different. So it's totally depends upon their opinion. So yeah guys, so the comment section is full of open. If you guys want to show any type of criticism, love, anger or anything, you are most welcome for that. And there is one more thing, I will reply to each and every comment. That's my guarantee. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this. Till then, a peace out guys and bye bye.